Today I am reviewing the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what drives this machine. At its heart is the Intel Core i5-210H processor, part of Intel's latest generation lineup. This CPU brings high clock speeds and multi-core performance that's not only great for gaming, but also more than capable for multitasking, video editing, streaming, and general productivity. Whether you're in a fast-paced shooter, editing a YouTube video, or running a dozen browser tabs, the F16 can keep up without breaking sweat. Now add to that the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU, with a Max TGP of 115 watts. This is where the TUF F16 really starts to shine. The RTX 4050 brings DLSS 3, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced performance into the picture, making it ideal for gamers who want high frame rates without compromising on graphical quality. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, or even resource-intensive titles like Red Dead Redemption 2 run smoothly, especially at medium to high settings. And thanks to NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, you get the best of both worlds: battery efficiency when you're on the go and GPU power when it's time to game. On the display front, the 16-inch FHD Plus panel offers a 144Hz refresh rate and a 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you more vertical screen space compared to the traditional 16:9 layout. This subtle change makes a big difference, not just in games, but also for productivity like scrolling through timelines, documents, or coding. With 100% sRGB coverage, colors are vibrant and accurate, making this panel great for both gamers and content creators. And thanks to adaptive sync, screen tearing and stuttering are virtually eliminated, delivering fluid, immersive gameplay. But performance isn't worth much if your system overheats. ASUS clearly knows this because the F16 comes equipped with a highly efficient cooling system. We're talking dual arc flow fans, 5 dedicated heat pipes for exhaust vents, and even an anti-dust filter. The result? Excellent thermal management without excessive fan noise. You can game for hours, and the laptop stays cool and quiet, which is something not every machine in this price range can promise. Durability is another major selling point. The ASUS TUF Gaming F16 has passed MIL, STD, 210H military-grade testing, meaning it can handle the occasional drop, temperature extremes, humidity, and even vibration. This makes it a perfect companion for students, travelers, and anyone who needs a laptop that won't flinch at a little rough use. The build is solid, the hinge is sturdy, and it feels like a machine built to last. In terms of memory and storage, you get 16GB of DDR5 RAM, which is more than enough for modern gaming and multitasking. Whether you're editing video, streaming, or running demanding software, the high-speed DDR5 memory ensures everything runs smoothly. Storage-wise, the 512GB PCIe Gen4 SSD delivers blazing fast boot times and file transfers, and you'll have enough room for your favorite games and essential files. Wireless connectivity is strong too, thanks to Wi-Fi 6, which ensures faster, more reliable internet. Perfect for competitive online gaming, streaming, or downloading large files without interruptions. It also comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, giving you the newest features and sleekest interface right out of the box. And finally, let's talk design. The TUF F16 carries a subtle, clean aesthetic, with an embossed TUF logo that gives it personality without screaming gamer in public. It's understated yet professional, so you can take it to work or class without drawing too much attention. So who is the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 really for? It's perfect for gamers who want a solid, future-ready laptop without paying a premium. It's also a smart choice for students, content creators, and professionals who need performance and dependability in a package that's both stylish and rugged. With powerful internals, excellent thermals, military-grade toughness, and a smooth, high refresh rate display, the F16 is more than just a gaming laptop. It's a reliable all-rounder that delivers on every front. If you're ready to upgrade your gaming or work setup with a machine built for both performance and endurance, the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 is an easy recommendation.